Who can beat frozen pizza with a steak knife, 7 stitches? Can anyone beat that? Who's got a dumb injury?
Coming home from a nightclub, found an injured owl in the street, picks it up to take it, to RSPCA.
Sorry, so coming from a nightclub, found an injured owl, like whoo, whoo. Okay, stop to pick it up.
It popped its head out and grabbed onto my hands and 2 stitches in my hand.
The owl, so picked it up and the owl bit you.
Yeah, the owl popped its head out of the coat.
Popped his head out of the coat. Now was that your coat or his? I don't know, it's cold here. And bit you 2 stitches in your hand. Well, that's pretty dumb. Anyone else got a dumb injury story? I know someone does. Woo! Oh, I hear a whoo! I didn't know if that was the owl who was going to say, one day I'd had too much to drink, I was lying in the street, some lady picked me up and I bit her. The number of shots I had to get after that.